In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view full screen in Google Sheets. Whether you're working on a large data set or simply want to maximize your screen real estate, knowing how to toggle between regular and full screen modes can make your workflow much smoother. Let's start by opening up Google Sheets in your preferred browser. Once you've got Google Sheets open and you're inside the document you need to expand, take a good look at the top right corner. Here, you'll find a range of options, but we want to focus on the three dots icon, often referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu full of different features and settings that you can adjust. From this drop-down, scan down until you find the option labeled Full Screen. Selecting this will instantly remove the surrounding browsers and toolbars, allowing your spreadsheet to occupy the entire display area. It's a useful feature if you're presenting information or if you require a clearer view of your data without distractions. If you need to exit full screen mode at any time, simply press the Escape key on your keyboard or return to the same More Options menu and deselect the full screen option. A little tip here: if you're using keyboard shortcuts, Google Sheets also allows you to toggle full screen by pressing the Ctrl and Shift keys together, along with the F key. This can be quite handy if you prefer using keyboard bindings to navigate through tasks quickly and efficiently. When working in full screen, consider how this mode might interfere with using certain browser extensions or additional toolbars you might have installed. These often disappear during a full screen session, so if you rely on any add-ons for Google Sheets, you may need to toggle back to the standard view to access them. Also remember that while in full screen mode, your sheet will remain interactive, so you can continue editing cells, using formulas, and managing data as usual. However, toolbars for cell formatting and other features are hidden, necessitating a swap back for more advanced editing needs. Additionally, if you want a zoomed-in view of your screen, you might need to adjust your browser's zoom settings separately, as the full screen mode itself won't change the size of the content within Google Sheets. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to using full screen in Google Sheets. Whether you're aiming to enhance readability, present your data without interruptions, or simply enjoy a less cluttered view, mastering this feature can significantly enhance your productivity in Google's suite of tools. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.